Standing in now, the right fielder, Alex Rios. And this misses for ball 4. The second walk he surrendered here in the first 3 innings. Alex Gordon will dig in now, hoping to perhaps make him pay for the 2-out walk. Got him. Joe Mauer will stand in now to get us going here in the 4th. Now here's a ball hit sharply toward the right side. And that's a base hit, so the pressure's on to open up the inning. Now Mauer's going to try to leg out 3. And he will make it there safely as he fires off the 4th with a leadoff triple. Brian Dozier will stand in. A line-out victim his first time. Swing and a miss on the fastball, and that's the first out. Torrey Hunter will try it again. Set down on strikes his first time. Over towards the dugout, but this one will get into the stands. Another 0-2 coming. Now here's a ball hit hard on the ground to second. Only play is going to be at first, so that'll go as an RBI that brings home the opening marker of the ball game. 1-1. Swing and a miss on the fastball, and it's 1-2. And now a pitch on the way. And a bouncing ball, foul. He'll try again, 1-2. Swing and a ball hit hard on the ground to short. Throw to first will get him easily, and the side is retired. Salvador Perez will lead things off here in the home half of the 4th. Now the 1-2. And this will be fouled away. Again, a 1-2. To 2 balls and 2 strikes now. 2-2. Swinging a ball hit on the ground, but a foul ball as it holds at 2-2. 2-2 pitch on the way. And this is swung on and missed, and this 4th inning will start the same way he ended the 3rd with a strikeout, and there's 1 away. Here it comes, 2-1. And now here's the ball hit pretty well out toward right center field. And that gets down, and we'll see if that's extra bases. Hosmer around first on his way to second now. And he will get in there with his first big league hit, a double. Charlie Blackmon will stride in again. He struck out swinging his first time. Pickoff move to second. Don't want to forget about him. The 0-2 on its way from Hughes. And here's a ball hit in the air. And that's going to land foul. Both clubs with 3 hits in the ballgame. Here comes another 0-2. Now a ball hit back up the middle. And that'll get through into center field for a base hit. And the run will score from second to tie the ballgame at 1-1. Mike Moustakas will stand in with a run in, 1 out and 1 on here in the inning. A 2-1 offering. Now a ball grounded to short. This could be 2. A bare hand for 1. On to first as they get the double play to get him out of the inning. Kurt Suzuki will make his way towards the box to lead off the 5th. Ready with the 2-1. And opposite field as he lines this down the line in right. And this is going to be extra bases here to kick off the 5th. Around first on his way to second now. Around second. He'll try for third. The relay throw. And he'll get there as he legs out the leadoff triple.
Now batting.
Kenny Vargas will dig in here. He flew out his first time around. Here's the payoff pitch. And this is fouled back and out of play. He'll try it again, 3-2. On the ground down the first base line, but this will get foul, so they'll do it again, 3-2. He swings at the fastball here and lifts it into the air to shallow center. Dyson has it, and I'd be surprised if they send the runner, but he'll wisely think better of it as he retreats to third, and that's an important first out. Danny Santana will dig in. He singled his first time around. There's a swing and a ball lifted to left, but back in the seats, out of play. It's 1-2. And this is going to find the crowd down the left field line. Count holds at 1-2. Fouled back. Here's another 1-2. And that'll even the count here. It's now 2-2 to the Minnesota shortstop. He's set, now the pitch. Swing and a liner.